Oh, I just got to say all praises and glory to the Most High God is the greatest. Thank you. Thank you, Lucille's. Lucille's barbecue showing up nice today. Look at the salad. Look at the ribs.
Rib tips.
Life of a mover. Kim Lum, keeping it moving. And life of a mover every single day. Not only are we moving your furniture, we're moving your emotions. This is how you feel. This is how we feel. Nothing but the great. Feel great. Live great. Be great. Happy thoughts and happy feelings. Thank you very much. Let's get to it, Lou.